Hello, I am going to show you how to make edits to your website's homepage. So when you log into WordPress with the login we provided you, you will see this page. This is your backend dashboard. What you want to do when you want to make edits is go up here to the upper left-hand side and hit Visit Site. And this is what you're used to seeing as a user. This is the published website. We're going to go up here and hit Edit Page. And I'm going to walk you through section by section on how to edit the text and the images. So to edit the text, all you have to do is click into the section and backspace if you want to remove, or type in to add text. And you can do that for all of this right here and the subheading. Basically, this whole page is like a Word document, so you will be able to click in and change any section. And to change images, you're going to do a similar thing. You're going to click into the image, and then you will go to this Replace button right here. And then you have two options. You can open the media library. This is all of the images that have been uploaded to your website before. Media library, or alternatively, you can go to Upload, and then you'll be able to upload any images that are currently on your computer. And after you make any image or text changes, you want to go to this Update button right here. This is your master save button. No change that you make will be published without hitting this button right here. So we recommend just doing that throughout the process. Going down a little bit, same thing in this section. You can edit the text, backspace, delete anything, or type something additional. Or you can also change the size of the text via these buttons up here. Scrolling down, same thing. Click into the text to change. For the subheader, header, and the paragraph text, it is all able to be changed. And you can even change the text on the buttons. So if I wanted to change the text on the buttons, I just click into it as well, delete, type new text in, and I can also change where these buttons navigate to. So same thing, you want to click in here, hit this little icon, and then I can put in a new URL here. And then that save button. Same thing for the images. All you do is click into the image and then replace. And then again, make sure we're hitting the save button throughout the entire process. And same thing here. Click into the text, type or remove text. And then moving down here to the featured businesses page, each of these sections is able to be edited and changed. The image, the text, and the buttons. So click into anything. Again, remember, this is like a big Word document. Same thing for the images. Moving down here, you can do the same with this section right here. Edit any text, edit the button. And then same thing for this section here. And again, these logos right here are just images, so if the sponsors change at any point, you can replace any of these by opening up your media library or uploading a file. And then this right here, these aren't necessarily images we have uploaded. This is connected directly to the collective's Instagram, so these are pulled in automatically. And that is an overview of how to edit the home page. This is a pretty basic home page, so there's nothing too crazy going on here. Just again, click in, edit it like a Word